Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor video. On this video we have a 2011 Crown Victoria P7B package that is now ready to be sold. The vehicle is a clean title. It's got about 83,338 on the miles and about 8,300 on the idle. Okay, it's a one owner clean title. If you guys want more information on the vehicle, guys, please give us a call. 909-457-5500. Visit our webpage www.drivecarsmart.com. Also click on the description of this video, as you might see some information as far as pricing, but the pricing may not reflect our updated pricing that's on our website. So check our website, guys. That's the most important thing to do if you want to, follow up on these cars, see what the prices is at for any vehicle. Okay, so again, guys, 11 Crown Victoria Interceptor that is now ready to be sold. So let's get to it. All right, so you have two Unity spotlights. Both of them are fully functional. These are non-LED. Okay, you got a beautiful push bumper in the front. Okay, you got Goodyear Eagle RSA tires all the way around, 235 55 17. Okay, the antennas on the trunk here and the roof are for display only. They are not connected. This car is smogged recently, oil changed recently, and is now ready for new registration. All right, so now let's show you the inside. Driver's door. Power windows, power door locks, trunk release, adjustable pedals, and traction control. Okay. Miles 83, I'm sorry, idle 8308 on the idle, and 83,390 on the miles. Headliner is in good condition. Seats are in good condition. So now let's go to the back doors. All right. Perfect. Now let's go to the trunk. You got a Troy Point, I want to say metal sliding tray, and a police trunk pack. Nice. Rear passenger door. Beautiful. Passenger door Now remember guys, I will not remember, but this car does show ballistics panels, and the doors are quite heavy, so I'm sure that it does have ballistics. Okay, so here is the front seat. Okay, let's turn on one of the spotlights. There you go. So both of them are fully functional. Alright, so now let's turn the engine on. Alright, so here's your engine bay. Remember guys, on none of our cars do we wash the engines. We might just clean up the plastics, but we're never going to spray any water on this, okay? So now let me be quiet, like that you can get to hear the actual engine idle. Perfect. All right, so now by popular demand, I guess we'll go ahead and put on a quick road test, 2-3 blocks, and then we'll be done with this video. Okay guys, so let's jump in. All right, so let's go ahead and put my seatbelt on. Alright, I'm gonna pause it now and get out of this area here and then get to the street. Alright, here we go. Reverse and drive. Okay, so we're on first, second, third, bump, nice and stiff, tight suspension, tight steering. Nothing rattling besides my keys. The engine sounds strong and hungry. So, all right. So let's do one more takeoff. And first, second, third, fourth. All right. Come to a stop. All right, and park, off. All right guys, so let me hop outside for a minute. All right, cool. So there you have it guys, Interceptor that is now ready to be sold. If you have some questions, again, please feel free to reach out at 909-457-5500 or visit our webpage www.drivecarsmart.com, and consider hitting the thumbs up guys, and the like button, I'm sorry, and consider subscribing for more cool Interceptor videos. Okay, we got some more of them coming out, so yeah, stay tuned guys, and again, I thank you very much for taking your time and to watch this video. Okay, to the next one guys, peace.